the time, in every moment, the one I love is you. You are the light of my world, the half of my heart. No one else is here, even for a moment, that could ever replace you. Now and forever, it'll be you. All that I do because of you. If there is tomorrow that I am looking forward to, because there is one that is you. Forever is not enough. For every moment, to forever and ever, I will love you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ikaw. Upang sa lahat ng panahon, bawat pagkakataon, ang ibigin ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang tanglaw sa aking mundo, kabiyak nitong puso ko. Wala ni kahatimang saglit na sa'yo'y may papalit. Ngayon kailan may ikaw ang lahat ng aking galaw, ang sanhi ay ikaw. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good night, ladies and gentlemen.
Then grew up with those songs too. Oh yeah, I remember. His song.
Oh, I enjoyed his concert. I grew up with those songs as well. One of my favorites is Ngayon at Kailanman with Basil Valdez, and he did an amazing job. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You like everything?
Oh, yeah. I love all his songs.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, thank you.